I studied day and night. I isolated myself for a complete year. I had stopped talking to my friends and relatives. I slept late and woke up early just to get some extra hours for studies. I didn't miss any class. I did my homework regularly. I solved everything that I was told to. I have sacrificed a lot. I haven't celebrated any festival since the day I started preparing, thinking that the day I will get into IIT will be the day of festival for me. I didn't give enough time to my parents because I was working all day, all night. Basically, everyone hates me or don't care about me because I have been cut off from the society as I was busy working for my dreams. And this one thing that I was working on didn't work out too. Are you able to relate? Then this video is for you. If you are still watching this video, means you are not happy with your GATE results. Don't worry, we will discuss about it. I understand this situation very well because I was in the same shoes 3 years back. So let's discuss what would have happened. You tried everything, you did whatever you could do, but on the day of exam, things didn't go well as you expected. Maybe the paper was too hard, or paper was too lengthy, or you got panicked, you got nervous, you did some silly mistakes, and those silly mistakes costed you lots of marks that ultimately resulted in a bad result. It's okay. It happens with everyone. You are in the majority. See, only 500 to 1000 people out of lakhs of students are now happy with their results. Rest all are not satisfied, or they are thinking that they would have done better if they would have not gone nervous or something like that. First of all, understand one thing, that getting less marks in GATE exam not at all means that you have less knowledge or you are not capable of achieving great things in life. There are many reasons of failure in GATE exam. The most important one being you were not able to handle the pressure of the exam. See, we all study for a complete year. Some of us are studying from 2 years, and we have to give that 2 years, 1 year's preparation. We have to give the justification for that long preparation in just 3 hours. We all have some expectations after the GATE results. Some of us want to go into PSU. Some of us want to go into IIT. We have dreams, we have aspirations. So when we are sitting in the examination hall, it all accumulates in our mind and it automatically runs, like it keeps thinking about the future. Suppose you are not getting answer of some question, or questions are too tough. Suppose in a row you are not able to solve 3 to 4 questions, then you will get panicked and nervous that, oh my god, what will happen now? I have given it so much time, so much efforts. What will happen? I will be jobless. I will not get into IIT. I have no future if this exam goes bad. And then the game is over. Means it happens. Don't worry. It doesn't mean that you are not capable of doing things. It happens with everyone. Learn from the mistakes. Accept it. Exam composure is one of the most important thing for GATE exam. That's why everyone tells you to relax before GATE exam. But I know that telling it is very easy. You can advise anyone that don't get nervous, just relax, just chill. Let me be honest with you, even AIR 1 was not relaxed or not chill while giving the examination. But still, they kept on fighting and they didn't give up. That's why they are there. It's okay. You also tried your best. You did whatever you could done. You fought till last second. It's okay if it didn't work out for now. But now, first thing that you have to do is you have to accept the results. Yes, many of you will be like blaming everyone. Some people have a very bad habit to blame everything. अरे यार मेरी तो किस्मत ही ख़राब है, मैं कुछ भी करूँ मिलता ही नहीं है मुझे, कुछ भी चाहूँ बुरा ही होता है मेरे साथ. Don't do all these things, okay? First thing that you have to do is accept the result, accept the outcome. Yes, you tried everything, whatever you could do, you did, but it didn't work out. So now you have to accept it and figure out what to do next. रोने से सिर्फ डार्क सर्कल्स बढ़ते हैं और कुछ नहीं. So it will be complete waste of time if you just keep crying on this result that oh I screwed it, why did I screw it, why did it happen with me only, I am useless, I am not capable of doing anything. सच ही कहते थे वो लोग, कुछ नहीं होने वाला तेरे से, फालतू ही गेट दे दिया, प्लेसमेंट में ही बैठ जाना था. बहुत कुछ चल रहा है ना दिमाग में. It's fine, you are in the majority. It happens with most of the students. Don't worry. Now you just have to accept it and take responsibility of this situation. ये कोई मूवी नहीं है जहाँ एंड में सब ठीक हो ही जाता है. ये लाइफ है, यहाँ पे एंड में सब ठीक करना पड़ता है. अगर अपनी स्टोरी की हैप्पी एंडिंग चाहिए ना तो उसके लिए लड़ना पड़ता है, 10 बार गिर के फिर से उठना पड़ता है. तब तक हार नहीं माननी जब तक मंजिल नहीं मिलती. कैसे नहीं होगी हैप्पी एंडिंग? अगर तुमने ठान ली कि कुछ भी हो जाए तुम हार नहीं मानोगे. You haven't come this far to only come this far. So now stop crying, wipe your tears and stand up again. You have to fight till the last second. You have to fight till you win. It is impossible to defeat someone who never quits, and you have to become that person. You have to keep on keeping on till you reach the goal. जिंदगी की लड़ाई में कभी भी वो नहीं जीतता जो सबसे ताकतवर होता है, बल्कि वो जीतता है जो सबसे ढीठ होता है. एकदम ढीठ. एक बार हारो, 10 बार हारो, 100 बार हारो, ढीठ वही के वही खड़ा रहेगा, वही के वही टिका रहेगा और लड़ता रहेगा तब तक जब तक वो जीत नहीं जाता. आपको वो ढीठ बनना है. ठीक है यार, नहीं गई अच्छी एग्जाम, नहीं आए नंबर, अब क्या रोते रहना है उस चीज को लेके या आगे भी देखना है क्या क्या है. देयर इज अ प्रोवर्ब, यू नो, व्हेन one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look at the closed door for so long that we do not see the door that has been opened for us. You don't have to do this mistake. It's okay. Whatever happened, happened. You tried, you did, it didn't work out, it's fine. Now you have to move on. At this point of time, you may think that world has ended, everything is over, सब खत्म, कुछ नहीं बचा. But it is not true. You have no idea what miracles are waiting for you in the upcoming life. But how will that happen? It will only happen if you keep moving on, keep trying, keep giving your best. Then you will have no idea when things will suddenly become right. See, In all of us life, there comes a time when everything goes wrong. Whatever you try, whatever exam you give, whatever job you apply, you just fail again. You keep failing. Nothing works out. But you have to keep courage and faith in yourself in that time. If you are going through hell, the only way to come out of that hell is keep walking. Yes, that's what you have to do now. You have to keep fighting till you win. Now, second thing that you have to do is take a break. See, even Ferrari needs refueling in a long race. Then तुम तो सिर्फ इंसान हो. You have been working so hard since a year, non-stop, constantly, each day, hours and hours. There have been so much of, emotional, mental stress that you have been handling since 1 year. So, before moving on, before going to the next step, it is very important that you offload yourself. You give yourself some time, you give yourself some break so that you can again get ready for the next fight. By next fight, I don't only mean giving GATE exam again. By next fight, I mean whatever comes next. That I will tell you what you have to do next. But before that, the taking break is very, very, very important, because you know what happens. I know what would have happened. Your GATE went bad. You are in complete guilt. You don't want to waste other opportunities that are coming like BARC, ISRO. So you are constantly studying. You are not studying as productive as you were before, of course, because of the guilt, the pressure, the sadness, failure, all that things. But you are not stopping. You are just going, studying. Even if you are studying 3 hours a day, you are stressing yourself for whole day. So you need to relax first. You need to relax and you need to get ready for the next fight. Till now, if you haven't take break, please follow my advice, please. Now you might be thinking that why should I waste my time? I have to study. I have already failed in one exam. What do you want? You want I should fail in other exams also? Because just because I am relaxing, is it even time to relax? I have so many exams coming on. I will relax after I give the exam. Trust me, I was in the same situation, so I know better than you. You have to relax now. Give yourself 1 week complete break. Complete break means complete break. Don't touch your books, don't study, don't think anything about studies or whatever happened. Means go out, do whatever, but don't study. Give yourself 1 week of complete break. If 1 week is not enough, take 10 days. See, this is not a sprint race. This is a marathon. You have to prepare yourself for the next stage. A lot has happened and you are totally stressed. Even if you push yourself, even if you keep pushing yourself, your productivity will be less than what it was during the GATE exam. So it is very important to offload yourself here. Take a break, relax, then we will go to next step. So please take a break now. After taking this break, you will have to work very hard again. You have to work day and night again till you win. But now take break, okay? Third thing that you have to do is you have to use your GATE score. Whatever is your GATE score, however bad or good, if you have qualified, see, only 17 point something % have qualified GATE this year. So you are not in complete loss. there are still opportunities. You will have to look for them. You will have to apply everywhere, in all IITs, in your core branches, in interdisciplinary branches. There are many opportunities. You might think that I have just qualified the exam, this score is of no use. It is not true. There are many opportunities with just GATE qualified also. So you will have to look on those opportunities. I will also try to upload some videos regarding this, but please try to understand that my schedule is too busy and I may not be able to upload videos frequently. So you don't have to wait for anyone else. You yourself have to find opportunities that you can get with your current GATE score. And one more thing, this is not the right time to think whether you should take drop for next year or not. If you have qualified GATE exam, if you have some score, especially like you have rank till 3000 to 4000, still a lot of things can be done using that score. So this is not the correct time to think whether you have to take drop or not. That you will think after 1 or 2 months. Presently, you have to see all the opportunities that are available with the current GATE score. Fourth thing that you have to see is you have to look for all the opportunities that do not require GATE score, like BARC, ISRO. See, these are also very good institutes. And your primary goal was never just GATE exam. Your primary goal was having a good job or doing higher education in IITs. You have to look for the opportunities that don't require GATE. You have to prepare sincerely for all the upcoming exams, for all the PSU exams. Even if you don't want to go there, it will be of great practice. So please fill forms of all the exams that are coming on the way, and please prepare sincerely for all of them. And don't miss any opportunity. Just keep trying. You will never know when things will go right. So, if I summarize this video for you, the steps that you need to do if your GATE didn't go well are: number 1, accept the results, take the responsibility of the situation, and do not give up no matter what the situation is. Second, take a break, offload yourself. Third, look for all the opportunities that you have with the present GATE score. Fourth, try and prepare for all the other opportunities that do not require a GATE score. So I hope that this video was useful for you. Please don't give up. It's just an exam. There are many more exams to come, and you just keep working hard. Things will improve. Your time will come. See, the best thing about time is it keeps on changing. Whether good time or whether bad time, it doesn't stay forever, right? So you have to keep faith in yourself and keep working hard till you reach your goal. So I am attaching some links of the motivational videos that you can see that can help you to boost up your confidence back again. Okay, for now, that's it. See ya. Keep hustling.